Good evening,
Hello,
sir.
doctor. Good evening. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I bring all the wishes from the entire Speed faculty and the team to you for
Thank you,
scoring a
sir.
fantastic rank in
Thank
any
you, sir.
SS MCS plastic surgery, rank number 9.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. Can we know something about your background, from where you did your MS, where you're coming from, and
Yes,
why do you want to do plastic surgery?
yes. Sir, I did my MS from Aligarh Muslim University, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. So I did my MBBS from here too. So while I was doing my MS surgery, we were posted for 3 months in plastic surgery. So I really liked the procedures there, and from there I got the inspiration to do MCH plastic surgery, and the teachers there encouraged us to do me further to do so. So that's how I thought about it. Yes.
Can we know your preparation strategy? How did you prepare? How much did you spend per day? What was your last minute revision program? How did you do that? And how did you achieve this rank?
So I just blindly followed you. Whatever you said in the videos, I just blindly followed it. And I remember I had taken up the classes in March this year, but I started studying after my exams were over in August. So in August, when the result was declared, I worked for 1 more month, continued working in the department, but at September, I stopped working there and I started just religiously watching your videos and reading everything from the Speed app. I didn't even open any book. And even the plastic surgery classes, I religiously followed it because I studied for 2 months, September and October. Thoroughly, I just watched every video and I made it, and the videos I had problem in, I watched them twice, thrice. Apart from that, I revised from the presentations that were given in the app itself. So I just religiously followed your first video, the first video you start in every class, like just blindly follow me if this is your first attempt. So I did that and that's why I'm here and I'm very lucky to have joined the app at the right time. And I didn't do anything on my own. I just blindly followed you. So I really want to thank you for all this help.
I'm really happy performance that you have made, and also the entire faculty team is also very happy, and because the students have done extremely well, and
Thank you.
and especially the kind of dedication they had in tough hours.
Mhm.
So once again, I congratulate you, and also all
Thank
the best for all your future endeavors as a great
you, sir.
plastic surgeon in years to come, and
Yes, sir.
very very happy New Year to
Thank
you,
you.
your
Yes,
family
and to
members,
you too. Yes. So happy New Year
and
to you too.
thank you. And to your family and your relatives and friends.
Okay. Thank you.
And do
Thank
you
you, sir.
want to say something to your juniors, and you want to give some advice to those plastic surgery aspirants?
So I felt that the faculty members in the classes of plastic surgery in the Speed app are really good. Apart from general surgery, if you have to study, you can just blindly follow it. You don't even have to open a book for that, just your lectures. And if you want to revise, you can just watch the lectures again. And apart from that, plastic surgery, everything is covered in by the teachers. And if you watch the video, and even for revision, you can just look at the Grab and Smith table classes. That is enough for revision. And that's it. So there's no particular thing because I felt that everything was in the app itself. I never felt the need to do anything else.
Thank you, doctor, for sharing your wonderful views, and best wishes to you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.